add some ghee to it, okay? Then only it will come soft and smooth. Okay, Lenikz?
Okay.
Add ghee to your fork. Come on, apply some ghee. Very good. Nicely spread it, spread it, spread it. Okay, all done. Now, we need to take some ball. Okay, take a ball. Turn it over, keep it like that. Put it on top. Yes, and then press it. Yes, very good, Lenikz. Nicely make it spread. Yes, make it spread down, down, down. Not that down. Over here, okay? Okay. Come on, you try. Down. Very good. Yes, you need to make it like an oval shape. Can you see here? Oval shape?
Yes, I see it.
Wow, very good, Lenikz. You did it. Great job. Now you need to press it nicely. Come on, press. No, it's not done yet. First you need to press. Nicely press it. Yes, very good, Lenikz. Apply some force. Yeah. Like making it?
Yes, I like making it.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Now?
And now I am starting to eat.
No, you should not eat it. It's not healthy, okay?
Okay.
Now, we need to roll it. See, Akka. Roll. Roly-poly, roly-poly, roly-poly. And look what I've got. I've got a galgala. Wow, Lenikz, you're making one too. Wow, very good. Very good. You did a great job. Good try, okay? So I made all of these galagalas. So, shall we fry, Lenikz?
Yes.
Okay, done.
And we will make some sweet galagalas.
Sweet. Lenikz, now we're going to make some beetroot murku, okay?
Okay.
Now I want you to help me. Okay, Lenikz?
Okay.
Yes. Now come on, take some beetroot dough and then put it in this mold. Come on.
First we need to roll it.
Okay, roll it.
And make it on and put it in the dough.
Very good. I think we need some more.
It's enough.
It's enough? Okay. Shall we try?
Let me try it.
You want to try it? Okay. Which plate do you Which plate do you want, Lenikz? Be careful.
This plate.
Now you're doing great, Lenikz. Come on, press. Oh, you're feeling it's hard?
Yes.
Oh, shall I help you?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it together. Yeah.
Yeah. It's working, Akka.
It's working. Let's put on more. Yeah. Shall we roll it?
Yeah.
Is it enough?
No.
I think it's enough, Lenikz. Wow. What color is it, Lenikz?
Pink.
Pink? Do you like the color pink?
I don't like the color pink.
Oh, why?
Because I love color orange and red.
You like the color orange and red?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Come on, let's do it together, okay?
Okay.
Wee.
But I like beetroot pink.
You like beetroot pink?
Yes.
Wow. Then do you like beetroot murku?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Lenikz, is beetroot a fruit or a vegetable?
Vegetable.
Vegetable? Yes. Great answer. Let me also try one. Whee! So fun. Oh, and are you playing with the puppet?
Yes.
Wow.
Many hours later.
Lenikz, now we've made all of these sweets, right?
Right.
Now we're gonna taste it.
Oh, yes.
It's Okay, Lenikz, we'll share these sweet treats with all our family and friends, and then we'll enjoy Christmas, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe to Inikz.
Stay tuned
Stay tuned
for more interesting videos.
for
Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.